I am in the space of 5 minutes time. I'm going to create a script, introduce myself, show you how it works, and not get pelted by balls. Okay, so my name is Steve Kosanovich.
We can't see the slides.
Ooh, that's not good. Is that counting?
Configuration counts.
You know what? I'm going to juggle.
Go.
This is really what it's all about. QA, automated testing, okay?
Stand in the mic.
It is the last thing, the phase before we go live. And it's probably the most under-resourced part of its whole testing process, okay? Yes. So there's a new paradigm. We've got code-free, self-healing testing. We're going to allow you to do testing faster and more accurately. And hopefully I can get through my slides. So the fundamental aspect is record and playback, capture, compare, and analyze. And the idea is that the lower complexity of the testing skills will allow us to create reusable test scripts. We're going to empower QA and developers to work together. So, with that said, here I go. I need a drum roll. Thank you. Okay, we've loaded up the application. I have started recording. Obviously, we see the importance of how quickly it takes to build the pages. Okay. I'm buying vitamins.
Sure, vitamins.
Okay. So at this point, my page reloads. I've made a purchase. Now I'm going to check out. Okay. Here we go. Moment of truth. I'm going to associate with where my start and end points always got to match up. Now, as you can see, nothing. Wait, hold on. Should I juggle while I'm doing this?
What's that red thing?
I am juggling, whether you know it or not, I am still juggling. Time, 3 minutes. Okay.
What's the topic?
Juggling and automation. It's code-free automation. It's a way to take the burden off of your QA and testing group. Okay, so I'm going to show you how we did. We've created a script, very simple, but it's a lot of things you're going to see in e-commerce web applications. A simple thing such as a purchase. There's a lot of things that go on in your web page that, bargains, things that pop up that can really disrupt your testing efforts. So the whole purpose is that we're going to be able to functionally test your website and focus on the real nuts and bolts of the application and not the things, and ignore the things that screens, little pop-ups changing, things that will disrupt your testing activities. And I'm done. So I created the script, I replayed it, and one of the couple of the neat things that you're going to be able to see are the differences. And our software allows you to, when you work it, the thing that changed, if I had time and I wasn't sure about getting pelted, was that you're going to see that the actual cart changed. And so we're going to show you that little part of the aspect of the application changed, but it was an expected change. It's empowering the QA to test the application, how it's fundamentally going to work. And I am done.